Industrial digitalization really matters, whether you want to show a proposed building in the context of the surrounding city, or you're planning a mission to the moon.
A lot of people think it's just about graphics, but it's so much more. It includes collaboration, physically based simulation, and an open ecosystem.
Being able to leverage simulation to rapidly iterate, find that optimum configuration before you take it into the physical world is an incredible way to make sure that when you do mobilize the heavy capital, you're mobilizing it in the right way.
At Siemens, we deliver the most comprehensive digital twin to our customers. This means we include mechanical, electrical, electronic, and software all in one package. We also connect engineering and manufacturing with end-to-end simulation.
Amazon is the world's largest manufacturer of industrial robotics. Our simulation platform has to be scalable enough to simulate full buildings. We're working across a range of digital twin use cases, from robotic work cell emulators to full building simulations used to validate safe and efficient operations.
Siemens' mission is to empower everyone in the world to build 3D experiences and simulations with geospatial data. Geospatial data can be a challenge to work with. With NVIDIA Omniverse, we benefit from the connectors bringing 3D workflows across the ecosystem. It can reduce your costs, it can increase your efficiency, even increase safety.
The NVIDIA full stack is helping us to go really, really fast with the latest technology.
I want to be able to run my operations as efficiently as possible, but also I want to be able to run my operations as sustainably as possible. Digital twins, these immersive environments, opens up whole new capabilities.
When it comes to industrial digitalization, the water's warm. The time is now.
We're democratizing the digital twin. Together, we're creating an open ecosystem that everyone can participate in.